AI security in cars, the potential threats are numerous, ranging from unauthorized access, data breaches, to the more sinister malware attacks. Picture this: an unauthorized user gaining access to your car's AI system, manipulating it to their advantage, or perhaps a major data breach leaking sensitive information about your travel patterns. Even worse, imagine your car's system being infected with malware, disrupting its functionality and compromising safety. But fear not, there are various solutions to these threats. Regularly updating your car's software is paramount to ensure it's equipped with the latest security features. Secure coding practices can help to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. Regular system checks, on the other hand, can help identify and rectify any potential malware threats before they cause significant damage. It's clear that with the right precautions and security measures, the risks associated with AI in cars can be significantly reduced. So what should you remember from today's discussion? As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, its integration into automobiles has highlighted the critical importance of AI security. It's not just about keeping your car safe from potential hackers, but it's about safeguarding your journey, your peace of mind, and ultimately, your life. Understanding how AI security works is our first line of defense. It's a complex network of systems and protocols designed to protect your vehicle's AI from potential threats. These threats are real and constantly evolving, but with knowledge comes power. Being aware of these potential dangers and the solutions to mitigate them is key. Staying informed and proactive in maintaining the security of your AI-enabled vehicle is not just a good practice. It's a necessity in our increasingly interconnected world. Remember, the security of your car's AI is not just about protecting your vehicle, but also about ensuring your safety and peace of mind.